You looked in the mirror today and said, "Why does my face look so puffy?" It's not that you're out of shape. You might even be hitting the gym, eating better, doing everything right. But for some reason, your face still doesn't match the rest of your body. It's like no matter how much progress you make, your reflection keeps that same soft look, those round cheeks, that lack of definition. You see guys with sharp jawline, clean cheekbones, that effortless, confident look, and you start thinking maybe my face just isn't built like that. But that's not true. Most of what you're calling face fat isn't even real fat. It's habits. It's water retention, bad sleep, stress, and small mistakes that stack up and make your face look puffier than it should. And the good part? All of that can be fixed faster than you think. Because once you understand what's actually causing that puffiness, your face starts changing fast. I'm talking within days, not months. So today, let's talk about how to actually remove face fat and make your face look sharper, cleaner, and more defined than ever. Tip 1. Fix your water game. If your face looks bloated or puffy, most of the time, it's not even fat. It's water retention. When you don't drink enough water, your body holds on to the little it has. And where does that extra water go? Your cheeks, under your eyes, your jawline. So ironically, the less you drink, the puffier you look. Start drinking 2.5 to 3 liters of water daily, consistently. And here's a trick most people don't know. Start your morning with a big glass of cold water, with a pinch of salt and lemon. It wakes up your body, reduces morning puffiness, and helps flush out excess sodium that causes that swollen look. Tip 2. Lower sodium like it's your enemy. You ever notice how your face looks different after eating junk food or ramen? That's sodium holding you hostage. Salt makes your body retain water, and that shows up instantly on your face. If you eat processed food, chips, or frozen stuff daily, that might be the reason your jawline is hiding. So here's what you do. Cut out processed junk, drink extra water, and eat potassium-rich foods like bananas, yogurt, or avocados. Potassium helps your body balance out the sodium and reduces bloating naturally. Do this for 1 week. You'll be shocked how fast your face starts looking tighter. Tip 3. Sleep is your secret face sculptor. Bro, listen. Sleep affects your face more than you think. If you sleep late or barely get 5 hours, your cortisol levels shoot up. That's a stress hormone that makes your body store fat and retain water, especially in your face. And you'll wake up with puffy eyes, dull skin, and no definition. You want that clean, awake look? Fix your sleep schedule. 7 to 8 hours every night. Even better, try sleeping on your back instead of your stomach. It keeps fluid from pooling on one side of your face and helps both sides stay symmetrical over time. Tip 4. Face fat starts in the kitchen, not in the mirror. You can do all the face massages in the world, but if your diet sucks, it won't matter. You can't spot reduced fat. You lose it from everywhere. So you have to be in a caloric deficit. That means eating fewer calories than you burn. Don't starve yourself. Just swap smart. Replace soda with water, white bread with eggs or oats, fried food with air-fried or baked alternatives. Even a 300-calorie deficit daily will start showing in your face within weeks. And remember, your face is usually the first place you gain fat, but also one of the first where you lose it. So once your diet is under control, your face follows fast. Tip 5. Stop chewing air. Seriously. You know those people who chew gum all day thinking it'll sharpen their jawline? Yeah, that's a lie. Overchewing can actually make your jaw muscles bigger unevenly, which can make your face look wider. Instead, you want to target those deep facial muscles in a smarter way. Here's what actually helps. Blow air into your cheeks. Hold it for 5 seconds and move it side to side. Do that 2 to 3 times a day. Improves blood flow, helps lymphatic drainage, and tightens your cheek area. Combine that with cold water splashes in the morning, and you'll feel your face getting tighter over time. Tip 6. Cardio is your face fat killer. Here's the truth most people don't want to accept. You can't spot reduced face fat. If you want a lean face, you've got to lose overall body fat. And the fastest way to do that? Cardio. You don't have to kill yourself in the gym or run marathons. Just 20 to 30 minutes of fast walking, jump rope, or cycling for 5 times a week is enough to get results. As your body fat drops, your face starts changing first. Your jawline gets sharper, your cheekbones start cutting through, and that puffiness fades away. It's like your confidence starts showing on your face. You'll wake up, look in the mirror, and actually see progress staring back at you. Tip 7. Now, while fat loss takes time, there are instant ways to make your face look leaner today. And that's cold therapy and facial massage. When you wake up, take an ice cube and move it gently across your cheeks, under eyes, and jawline for a minute. It tightens your skin, reduces puffiness, and gives that fresh, sharp look. Then use a bit of oil or moisturizer and massage your face upward, from your chin toward your temples. It boosts blood circulation and helps with lymphatic drainage. You'll instantly look more sculpted, and over time, your skin becomes firmer. Tip 8. Watch your posture and body language. This one's super underrated, but it makes a massive difference. Your posture literally decides how your face looks in real life and in photos. If you're always slouched, shoulders down, or looking at your phone all day, it pushes your neck forward and creates the illusion of a double chin. Even if you're not carrying much fat, you can fix this instantly. Keep your neck straight, chin slightly up, and walk like you got purpose. Chest up, shoulders back, like you own the space you're walking in. That small adjustment alone can make your jawline appear sharper and your face more defined. And here's the bonus. When you carry yourself like that, people stop noticing the little imperfections. They don't see the puffiness. They see confidence, presence, and control. Tip 9. Consistency turns average into sharp. Here's the real talk. No matter how many quick tricks you try, none of them will work if you're inconsistent. Face fat goes away with time and effort. You don't need perfection. You just need small wins every day. Drink your water. Eat clean. Sleep on time. Do that for 3 weeks straight, and watch how your face starts transforming. That's when people will start asking, "Bro, what are you doing? You look different." And that's when you'll realize it's not about luck, it's about habits. Your face is your first impression. It's the first thing people notice, before your clothes, before your words. And when your face looks clean, tight, and confident, your whole presence changes. So don't chase instant results. Build a kind of routine that naturally sculpts your face over time. That's it. You'll look in the mirror one morning and realize you didn't just lose face fat. You build a version of yourself that actually looks sharp. And that confidence, that's what really shows.